subscribe to my channel, and share this video. Subscribe to my channel, and share this video. So this is Kindly Up channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you about an airdrop called Watcher Node. You can see this airdrop is Watcher Node. You can see that the airdrop is approaching is a token launch. You can see this place. You can see. So that is what that is progress. The latest progress about this airdrop. This airdrop has been on for a long time. So if you like to join this airdrop, make sure you join this airdrop, because by end of this month, so this airdrop is going to launch, and to be eligible for this airdrop, you still have time. So you can see that I'm currently having this amount, because for you to be eligible for the airdrop, you must upgrade. You can see this upgrade. You must upgrade up to stage 10. That is, stage 10 is the minimum stage you can reach. So if I click on upgrade now, you can see what now you see. I started from this from stage 1. So I started from stage 1. So I'm currently in this stage. So for me to upgrade to this stage, I must have up to 7,000. So currently I'm having 5,500. So for me to upgrade, I must have 7,000 to, you can see, 7,000 to Watcher Node. So it goes on and on. You can see it goes on and on. So if you don't complete this stage, you can't move to the next stage. You can see. So your earning will be increasing as you are moving, down. You can see it is up to stage let's see, up to stage 50. You can see. So one of the eligibility or the criteria for getting the airdrop is that you must upgrade to minimum of stage 10. Not only that, so I cannot explain everything in this video. So if you want to join this video, make sure you join this project. Make sure you do what? Sign up using my link. Do this video, sign up. So when you sign up, you are going to be given what? A code. So that code, you have to keep it, because if you don't have access to the code, you will not be able to get access to your dashboard. So you must keep your code very well. So if you keep the code and you don't misplace it, so you'll be able to access your Watcher Node anytime. So now look at this place. You can see that this is like a battery. So when I click on this scan, I don't want to scan it now. Why? Because I want it to get to 100% before I scan it. So if I click on scan, it will give me this. It will give me this. So it will be it will be increasing the amount as the percentage increases, and as you upgrade, it will be increasing this also. So when you upgrade, it will be increasing the Watcher Node amount, and also it will be the time will be decreasing. The time it will be using to scan will be decreasing, while the watcher node will be increasing. You can see. So that's why it's very good to upgrade. So when you upgrade, it will increase your watcher node and the percentage, and also it will be decreasing the time to recharge. You can see this is the time for me to recharge now. You can see, so less than 3 minutes up to less than 4 minutes to recharge. So when you scroll down, you can get your affiliate link here. You can see you can click here to get affiliate link. So you click on invite friend. So you can click on share link. So when you share your link to your friend, you get 1000 watcher node per friend. So that is it. You get 1000 watcher node per friend. So just click and what and share your link. And also, if you scroll down, you can see that you get what 1000 watcher node. So let's click on claim and details. Let's see what is there. You can see N% of friends watcher node and storage client token rewards. WN rewards from DeNet. So click on about referral program. How do I earn for inviting friends? You earn WN batteries and storage client tokens for inviting friends. Moreover, you also earn rewards from the user your friend invite. Friends earn 20% of your friends' earning plus a battery. Friends of friends, you can see earn 5% of the earnings of users invited by your friends plus 1% from those users' friends. Referrals in client task. You can see these are the way you can what you can go to earn. Even if you don't want to do anything here, if you just want to refer, you see earn. You see earn, and you can see you can come here to do what? To do the task. You can see. So when you do task, you can quickly upgrade. So that's one thing about this airdrop. So when you do daily task, you know, these are regular task. So that is social. You click on social. You can see I've done all this. So when you do all these tasks, it will increase your watcher node and you'll be able to upgrade fast. And also, if you click on watch, learn, you can see learn and earn. I'm going to do a video on this. So you can see I've done some. You can see I've done some. I've done this. So I've done some. So you can see I've done this also. So I will do the video on that so that you can understand how to do that. Then, so watcher everywhere. You can see this is a special task. So I'm going to do another video on that because of I don't want this video to be too long. So these are ways by which you can earn from this watcher node. So when you click on this, when you click on this academy, let's see what is there. If you are getting value from this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video. So I don't want this video to be too long. It's still loading. So let's see what is there. You can see. So when you enroll in this course is free. You can see so this course contains what 5 lessons. You can see it contains 5 lessons. So when you enroll in this course, you earn what 10,000 watcher node. You can see you earn this for yourself. So for the main airdrop, so you can see. So you can also come here and do this. So I have not done this actually, but so these are ways you can earn from this airdrop. So I don't want this video to be too long. If you are getting value from this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video. So stay tuned for my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.